Hey, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a new vlog. And today, as you can see from the title and thumbnail, it is the Pink Friday summer sale recommendations video. And I will show you all the things that I got, what I liked, what I did not like. And before starting this, I wanted to talk about the ongoing incidents that are happening in our country. And it feels wrong. I feel guilty to shoot this and act as if everything is normal when they are not, but we have to keep continuing with our day-to-day lives. And even if we are anxious all day long about what is happening with people who are living on the borders, and it is terrifying, I know, but keeping that in mind, I just wanted to say how proud I am of our country, of our defense system, of our armed forces, that they are fighting day and night to keep us safe. And we as citizens, we hope and pray for their safety, for their families' well-being, and all my prayers are with them. And I know content creators are feeling guilty, and they are feeling like if they post something, people are attacking them about how insensitive it is. But people, I am an IT professional and my work is not stopping because of all this. We have to keep working, we have to keep making a living, and have to keep earning money. It is the job of content creators to put out videos and earn, and we cannot tell them, only them, that it is not right to make such videos when it is the only form of income for a lot of people. And we do it for our mental sanity. Sometimes we need a break from our day-to-day lives, the tension, the anxiety. So that is why I thought of making this video. And hopefully you all don't attack me for this, and keep watching if you feel like you also need a break from all this and try to return to normal life. That was a long intro, so without any further ado, let's get started. So I got a bunch of stuff this time from Plum, and the first one was a perfume. I thought of getting the pistachio perfume, which has been recently launched and people are talking about it on the internet. They love that. And the first one was vanilla caramello, which I bought and I liked it. I don't like perfumes that are too sweet, too edible, and the vanilla caramello one was actually perfect because first it is a dupe of the Sol de Janeiro one, and it has notes of pistachio a little bit, and it is a very beachy, summery kind of a fragrance. And I thought that buying the pistachio one will be in the same zone as the vanilla caramello one. So I wanted to try another perfume which has a lot of good reviews on Nykaa, and that one is the Tulips Don't Lie fragrance. It is more on the florally side, and the top notes are of tulips, pomelo, apple, grapefruit. Middle notes are of rose, peony and peach, and base notes there is musk. And I am personally a fan of musk and floral fragrances in general, so that is why I thought I'll get this. And when you first smell it, you get the hit of apple and grapefruits, apple more, and once you spritz it, you get the rose after some time. It is a beautiful fragrance. I really like this. It is perfect for summer, and you know what, it gives that vibe that when you're walking on the beach in a sexy sundress and you wear this and people are turning around and looking at you. That is what this perfume gives, and I absolutely love it. And another one that I got was the Plum Body Loving deodorant, the Underarm Roll-On. This is the Vanilla Vibes one, and it has 4% lactic acid and 1% glycolic acid. So it takes care of the darkness under your arms, and it smells also great. And many underarm roll-ons have this white liquid which makes your underarms patchy after a point. But this one is a clear liquid, like it does not have that white thing. so this is just perfect for the summers. Once I get out of the shower, I put this on and I can instantly feel the freshness, so I like this one as well. And with that I got some freebies. First one is the Sunbelievable Duo. It has two products. One is the rice water and niacinamide sunscreen. Now it is not the normal variant, it is the sheer tinted variant. I did not know that. Once I opened it to try, I saw that it was tinted and I screamed like a child, because this summer I am more inclined towards using tinted sunscreens and tinted moisturizers more than foundation, because my skin is not doing great at the time. This has a tint, and let me put this on. It is very sheer, like not like good, like the best coverage, but I like it because my skin can breathe underneath, and I like formulations like this where my real skin is also showing, but I have a minimum coverage also. And tinted sunscreens are good because they don't leave any white cast, they just melt in your skin and it gives you a nice light coverage. It is very light coverage and it looks nice, and it is perfect for the summer season, because here it is like humid and I cannot put heavy foundation, or I sometimes put concealer when I walk out, and I use the Dot & Key Strawberry Sunscreen, which is the tinted one. And this one is also nice. It is lightweight, it will not make you sweat a lot, it is not very greasy, very light, and I think it is perfect for the summer. And along with that I also got Lily Miss Sunshine body lotion. It has SPF 35 and PA+++. So I wanted to go for the bigger bottle, but I read that it was for dry skin, and I am not a dry skin person. Like if I put something very moisturizing, like heavy on my skin, and I walk out, then I will like instantly be drenched in sweat, and I don't like that feeling. I want moisturizers or body lotions which can actually, get absorbed on my skin very easily. So I added that full size bottle in the cart, but when I saw that with the other two products I'm getting this freebie, then I decided to try this first, the sample size first, and if I like it, then I will buy the full size bottle. The day I ordered this, the very same day I got this Plum products, so I could try it out, and the very next day I ordered the full size bottle as well, and here it is. Let me show you how it is. It's a very light body lotion, and when you put this on, it gives a mild cooling sensation, as it claims. Not very much, but there is a slight cooling sensation, which I love, and it makes your body feel instantly cooler. Like I can feel it now as well, and it gets absorbed like this. It is very fast, quick absorbing. It is not greasy. It absolutely is a fantastic body lotion. I put this on every single morning whenever I step out in the sun. It also claims to brighten your skin and reduce tan, and I need it at this point because of my recent Goa trip. I got tanned and I wanted to reduce that tan as quickly as possible, so I am sure that will help me. And the last freebie, which will also help me reduce tan, is the alpha-arbutin and hyaluronic acid serum. This was also given as a free sample, and I did not expect them to give like a big size thing of a product. It is 30 ml and it will easily last me good 2-3 months, and I'm very excited to try this one as well. It is like the texture is watery. I mean, it feels like water on my skin. This is absolutely light, very lightweight, and I love how it feels when I use it. It is very hydrating, and you can use it in the morning as well or in the evening. And that was it for the Plum goodies. Next up we have a liquid blush from Mars. The first one I used was in the shade Dawn, I think Dusk or Dawn, and that was a peach and corally kind of a shade, and I wanted to try a mauve magenta pink color shade because I heard purple blushes give the perfect Barbie pink effect, and this one looked close to that. This is in the shade Horizon, and this is how it looks. That is the shade. It gives such a nice, healthy, pinkish glow, and I love it. Perfect Barbie pink blush that I did not have in my vanity for the longest time. Absolutely love this. I would recommend. Mars is doing so great, and I'm always looking to try out new products that they launch, and this one was such a hit. The first one that I used was an absolute gold of a product, and then this. Wow. And then I got a product which is a new launch, and this is from Laneige. This is the Glaze Craze Lip Balm, and this is in the shade Cinnamon Sugar, and I wanted to try this for the longest time, and this is how the packaging looks. It's super premium looking, and it has a donut applicator, and this is how it looks. Let me try it. The texture is very similar to the Hyphen and the Conscious Chemistry one. In between those two, the Conscious Chemistry one is thicker and the Hyphen one is lighter texture, and this is right in the middle, and I like it. It is a very sheer tint, and it looks more of a gloss than a lip balm, and I don't know how much it will stay because I have not used this much, but I'm liking it, and it smells exactly like cinnamon powder, so I like it. It's pretty. And with this I got a freebie, and this one is the Bouncy Firm Sleeping Mask, and this is how it looks. This is the Chotu product, and I have not tried this before. That's the product. Let's see the texture. It has a gel creme texture, also lightweight. I have not used this much, so cannot talk about how it performs. I'll definitely use it tonight and put it on and let you guys know. I'll make a short video on this, and I'm happy about this. And the last one is a body oil, and this is from Victoria's Secret. It is the pink coconut variant, and I was skeptical about using body oils because the previous body oil that I was using was the Plum Vanilla Vibes one, and that was a good product. And I'm skeptical about body oils in general because, as I said, my body does not like greasy stuff, and it craves for something lightweight, and I still bought it because I was getting this at a very good price. And the next day also I went and checked, and it was not available, so I consider myself lucky that I got it at the right time. And this is how it looks. Let me put it on. The texture is oily, not very oily and not very gel-like, in the middle. And this is actually lightweight, and it gives such a beautiful natural glow to your body. And it smells like vanilla and a bit nutty, and it smells very, very rich. And that is the glow. Can you see? Wow. I like this product so much. I use it once I'm out of the shower, and I put this on, and it feels so great on my skin. The healthy glow that it gives, that goddess-like glow which you see on celebrities, this product does it, and it smells heavenly. And with that, the video comes to an end. These are all the things that I got from this mega sale. I did not need much products because I am currently stocked up in terms of skincare, makeup, hair care, everything. So these were all the products that I wanted to give it a shot, and I saw that they were on sale, and that is why I picked them up. I hope you all like this video, and tell me in the comments if you want to try any of these products, and if you want me to try any of these products and give a review on them, an in-depth review, I will try to come up with short videos on each and every product that you want me to try. And with that, I end this video. See you in the next one. Until next time, bye bye.